Hi everyone, I am Drew with Mobility Direct, and today I am here to show you the all-new Pride Mobility Jazzy EVO 614 HD power wheelchair. It's a really nice power wheelchair, but before we get into this review, I want to take the time to mention our YouTube channel. If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure that you do, because you can win a mobility scooter every 30 days just by subscribing. It's free. Now, before we get into it, I'd like to take a moment to show you the last winner, so this way you know it's real.
And she's got her scooter that we're donating, and all she did was subscribe to our YouTube channel.
No problem. Can I get a hug?
Yes.
Another hug?
Definitely. Subscribe right away.
That's
Also, if you want a copy of our free catalog, make sure you visit our website, mobilitydirect.com. At the top part of the website, you'll see an icon for your free catalog. Fill in your information. We'll make sure to have one at your doorstep in just a couple weeks. All right, let's get into it now. The Jazzy 614 HD is a really nice power wheelchair. It's the heavy-duty version of the 614. Basically, it's the same exact chassis, same frame. It's just been beefed up a little bit here. So as you can see, it's got perforated tires. That's going to ensure that you're going to have a more soft, easier ride. The suspension on the front end and rear end have a heavier suspension, which is going to provide a heavier weight capacity of 450 pounds. The seat is also larger, as you can see. This is about a 22-inch wide seat. It has the same Lynx joystick and controller. It has been tuned for a 450-pound weight capacity, so it's going to go a little bit faster at 4.8 miles per hour. Here we have our seat. It's got a nice Pride Mobility stitching there. The headrest is removable. It's also adjustable in height. So we're just gonna put that there. There is a recline lever, which will get you to about 105 degrees, 110 degrees. And you can also fold it forward if you want to transport it. There's a pocket in the back that you can put your user manual or whatever you have with you. And on the back side of this chair, you have an accessory port. Here's where you can put your rear basket, cane holder, walk holder, different accessories that Pride Mobility offers. You can also adjust the width of the armrests and the height of the armrests. They're also flip back, and you can put the joystick on either the right side or left side. On the right side of the chair, on the underside, there's a lever, and if you pull it forward, you can actually rotate and turn the chair sideways. This will allow you to get up to a table with ease. It'll also help you with transferring out of the chair as well. Let's go ahead and put that back. So on the joystick, we have our battery indicator. As the battery discharges, you'll see the LEDs disappear one by one. Here's our speed knob. That is at its lowest profile, and that is at its fastest profile. So counterclockwise will be at its slowest, this will be at its fastest. Here's our horn, and of course that's our power button. Here's our charging location. This is an XLR off-board charger. It's powered by lead acid batteries. There's 55 amp hours in here, 22 NF batteries. On the front end of the chair, you have an adjustable footplate. This can be adjusted higher and lower. You can also flip it up if you don't want to use it. On the underside of the chair, you have your electronic brakes. This will allow you to flip them up to put them in neutral, so you can move the chair manually without actually having to sit down and move it. So if your batteries ran out, you can push the chair. Here's your reset breaker in case you go over a whole bunch of bumps and cause an electronic shock. This is the reset that'll allow you to get the power chair to be up and running again. So we're gonna dive into this chair. I'm gonna show you how to take it apart and access the battery compartment. You can take off the chair to access the battery compartment, but you really don't need to, because if you come to the back side of the chair, there's these knobs. And if you take these out, you access your battery compartment with ease. And even more easier, these batteries slide right out. So servicing them is really easy. You just change your batteries, there's your wire harness, plug and play, put them back in, and you're good to go. What you're looking at inside there is your Lynx control module. I'm going to shine some light in there for you. And it's by Dynamic. It's high quality electronics. Now let's go ahead and put that back in for us. Let's go ahead and get this tilted here. Get that up. And we're going to plug in the harness. Slide that back in. All right, and as I mentioned, the seat can come off, but we're not going to get into that. This is just a review video. We want to show you how the chair operates and its little functions. In another video, you'll see us how to take chair apart, and you'll be able to watch that. So I am 5'10", 220 pounds. I'm a pretty big guy, and I fit more than comfortably on this. I have about 2 inches of space on each side. And as I told you, this is a workhorse of a power wheelchair. This is going to work on grass, gravel, uneven terrain. As I said, it's got a 450 pound weight capacity. It's been tuned and it moves really well. Again, it's going to have that 22-inch turning radius. 4.8 miles per hour. It's going to come with a 1-year in-home service agreement, parts and labor, ensuring that you have a reputable and trustworthy product that's going to help you with your mobility. As you can see, it's very, very, very sharp on its turns and its precision. It's highly accurate. The Dynamic Lynx controller is definitely an upgrade from the old controllers. Dynamic has been always a great controller company, and this chair just feels really, really, really smooth. The motors feel really nice. It's a really great chair. So I'm gonna highly recommend this chair. And well, I thank you for watching this review, and for more information about this product, please visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, or call one of our non-commissioned sales reps, and they'll help you with any information that you may need on this product. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.